Hello there everyone, welcome to my orchard videos and welcome to my orchard and vineyard tractor reviews for 2022. Well, what you see in front of you here today is a model, it's a case model 35A model. It's the A series compact tractor. Uh, I haven't really did any reviews on these tractors, so I thought I got some material and I thought I would just share it with you guys and tell you my opinions of it, and so forth. Um, there's not too many of these I've seen, but Case does build some really good quality tractors and such. And of course, it's a compact, so a compact tractor can be used in many different applications. Uh, I'm posting a bunch of pictures following the video here, and you determine if it's a tractor for you. The like the 35 series comes in a, B, and C model of the 35 series, and there's different models. There's different classes of these tractors. So we're going to go through the what we have the material here. So this one here, what you see, is a compact A series tractor. It'll have anywhere from 35 to 40 horsepower. It's very fuel efficient. Tier 4B final engine. The transmission is synchronized, shuttle, and hydrostatic transmissions available. So it's kind of nice having a transmission or tractor like this that have gears and hydrostatic. Many tractors don't offer that option of having either geared tractor, gears, or hydrostatic. So it's kind of a nice feature, I think. It's very easy and very easy to maintain and such. It's excellent all-around visibility from the operator's seat. So this one here would have, of course, these tractors come in cabbed and non-cabbed models. This one here is, of course, it's a 35 to 40 on the engine PTO, and between 27 to 28 on the PTO as well for the 35A series. So it's not really going to be much difference between the gear or hydrostatic. It's only 1 horsepower difference. So it's a very interesting tractor, and it's just another option out there if you don't have a Kubota or don't have John Deere or such, but you have a Case. They call it a Case farm tractor. I mean, they're basically good for any kind of thing, using for orchard, vineyard, hobby farm, what have you, ground crops and such. And you have to kind of remember that it is a compact tractor, and it's going to be limited to certain things because its weight, the weights that come in. Now the next model up from this one here is a 40. That'd be a 40A non-cab, and that would be a same thing, 35 to 40 horsepower, and on the PTO 34 to 32 horsepower, depending if you have geared or hydrostatic. And here it says that if it's a geared transmission, it actually has 34 horsepower. So that's pretty good. You can run a lot of different things on these tractors. You're going to have a loader on the front, you can have a mower. You can buy specialty kits for these tractors where you can put a front mount PTO if you want. There's all sorts of kits available for these. Your wheel weights and such, and narrow tires, wide tires, and such for any kind of applications that you're working with. So, yep, I recommend it for the applications I've mentioned, and it's a good little tractor. So, if you have a Case dealership near you, have a look at them and see what you think. Like I said, I do recommend them, and after since I've been on the farm here for almost 30 years, plus on doing the orchard business, and also spending time in vineyards as well over the years, I kind of know what tractors are used, what tractors are best for each application. So thanks for watching my video. And like I said, following the video here, I'll have more pictures and hopefully a nice tune to go with the pictures along with the video. And you can determine if there's a tractor for you. If you have any questions about the tractor, you can always check out the website. They are either it's farmall.com or case.com. Case.ih.com, and you can get all sorts of information there. Case does specialize also in bigger farm equipment. All sorts of different series. I've seen lots of Case tractors for farms, like dealing with cattle and growing hay, mowing hay, and such, that kind of applications. Also industrial applications as well. Yeah, so anyways, we're going to cover another tractor here of similar, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.